and the position is from bottom, and activate this part so that whether it is okay or not we can see. Again, one more free pocket, feature pocket profiling. Features are already defined, so select the same feature. Work plane. Hello friends, in this lecture we will see feature pocket area clearance option. So feature pocket area clearance we can create. We have to create pocket where we want to make the toolpath. So first we have to define feature. So this work plane we have already created, blank I have already created. As in previous operation we have created this blank and workpiece the same way we have done here. So feature group and create a new feature group. Now I'm going to edit this, and here we have this free form pocket. Okay, we can use this to create this pocket. Select this, and my first pocket is this lower one. Accept, and the curve position is at bottom, and just make it 0 so it will come up to the top. Okay, and accept it. Again I'm going to create new feature. Again select this curve and composite curve, click over this and try to, I'm going to create this from the bottom because the upper edges are not properly available, so that time I'm using from the bottom. Okay, you can create this from the top or the bottom wherever you want, but in this case I'm starting from the bottom because it is suitable here. And the position is from bottom, and activate this part so that whether it is okay or not we can see. Again, one more free pocket, and the position is bottom and top is at 0. Apply, accept. So all three pockets are defined. Now I'm going to use feature pocket area clearance option. Okay, so here in toolpath we have this feature pocket area clearance. Okay, and the feature is all these three. I want to cut all these three. If you want to select any one or two you can select, or if you want to generate toolpath in between all three features to select all. And work plane is 1, block is already defined, tool is already defined, 8 is the diameter. Now Stepover is 4, thickness 0.2, and 30 micron is the tolerance. Step down is 0.3, and if you want to ignore the chamfer and fillet if you have on the top of the this surface. Now calculate. Okay, now I'm going to show you. Now play. See, the tool is hide, it is not activate, that's why it is not visible properly. So this is the feature pocket area clearance, and in next option we will see profile, feature pocket profile. So in this lecture we will see the next option, and in previous lecture we have seen pocket area clearance, and now we will see pocket profile. So we have already defined the feature. See, here we have the feature, and tool I have already created. This is my tool, and this tool is 4 millimeter diameter and it is an anvil. So now click new toolpath, and strategy is feature pocket profiling. Features are already defined, so select the same feature. Work plane, block, already we have defined, and here tolerance is 30 micron and thickness is 0 now. Okay, I want to do a finishing operation. Now calculate it. See, close, and this will generate along the wall, and it is not going to cut at the floor. It is just creating a toolpath around the wall. So let's see this. The first one, feature pocket area clearance option. Now I will show you the second one operation, which is the area profiling, and play. See, it is cutting along the edges. So hope you understand how it is working. It is working along the walls, and this is the pocket profiling.
These are premium educational videos that are usually paid, but I'm sharing them for free on YouTube. Subscribe and support the channel.